Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Ego PH, how to get your digital national ID. So how to get your digital national ID at Ego PH? All you need to do is very simple. All you need to do is just download this app, the Ego PH. After downloading this Ego PH right here, next thing you need to do is just follow the steps. So all you need to do is just verify yourself, your information, and you need to pass at least one valid ID. Just prepare yourself of one valid ID and that's all. And there, you just need to input your phone number, email. You're just gonna verify it. After verifying all of those right there, your Philippine number, all the blah blah blah, and then once you're approved, as you can say, to know if you're approved or not, as you can see right now here on my name right there, as you can see right now, I am for approval. So which means they're still reviewing my um what they call this my identity right there. As you can see, I'm still in review. Now after, let's say you have been approved, after you've been approved, your national ID will be right here. As you can see right at the blue thingy, you just need to press that and then your national ID will pop up. Yeah, that's all you need to do. Just press on that and national ID will pop out. But as you can see right now, my count is being still approved. So there, all you need to do is download the app, answer a few informations about yourself, and verify your number and email. After verifying those, you just need to show a one valid ID. Valid ID, you can there's a lot you can do passport, driver's license, MBI clearance, or maybe um, if you have a national ID like a card itself, you can use that as well. So but yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any more questions about the Ego PH and what to do, you can just type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.